the letter A. Okay, I'm going to give you options of all the words that start with the letter A. And you're going to guess what's there inside the box. Okay? A for angel. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. A for apple. A for alligator. What's your guess, Cheryl? What do you think is there? Aeroplane, angel, apple, angel. So Cheryl guesses angel and Alan guesses alligator. So let's open the box to see what's inside. A for aeroplane. Wow, this is the letter B. What are some of the words that start with the letter B? I'm going to give you options. And you're going to guess what's there in the box. Yes. Okay? Boat, bus, banana, balloons, butterflies. So what's there in the box? Okay. So let's open it. Hey, the butterflies. So C for car, C for carrot, C for cake, C for clown, C for crab.
I know it's clown.
It's clown? Alan guesses it's going to be clown. Cheryl, what do you guess?
Cake.
Cake. This is the letter
D.
D. Okay, so let's guess what's in the box now. Is it going to be a dog, a doll, a donut, a dinosaurus, and a drum? Which one is it going to be?
A doll.
Doll? Both of you are saying doll? Okay, so let's open it and see.
Oh yes, I was correct.
E for egg. E for elephant. E for Eskimo. E for ice. E for earth. So what do you think is there in the box? Cheryl? Earth? Cheryl says egg?
Yeah.
Okay, so open the box. Okay, the options for the letter F are flower, fan, fruits, flamingo, fish. So Cheryl says it's fish inside?
Yeah, also fan.
You say fan? Okay, so let's open it and see.
Oh, correctly, it was flamingo.
Flamingo! Okay. So the options you have for G are giraffe, grapes,
No.
gorilla, goat, girl.
Oh yeah! The three points now!
It's a giraffe. Okay, so it's a giraffe. So the options you have for the letter H are hat. Is it going to be a hat?
No.
Helicopter?
No.
A heart?
No.
H for horse?
No.
H for house?
Yes!
You think it's going to be a house? Okay.
Oh, it's a heart!
I. Okay. I for ice. Ice cream. I for iguana. I for igloo. I for island. Do you think there's ice cream inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open it and see.
Oh, yes!
J. Okay. So the options for J. What do you guess is inside? J for jelly beans. J for jacket. J for jug. J for jam. J for juice.
Yeah!
So what do you guess is inside? Juice? Cheryl, what do you think is inside? Juice? Okay, let's open it and see.
What's that?
It's
Jam. It's jam.
this is the letter
K.
K. K for kangaroo.
Yeah. Kangaroo.
K for koala.
No.
K for king.
No.
K for kiwi.
No. I'm not giving food.
K for kettle.
No.
So what do you think is there? It's kangaroo. This is the letter L. Options you have are L for lamb, lollipop, lion, L for lamb, and a llama. Pop. Okay, let's open the box. It's a llama. This is the letter M. M for mobile. M for mouse. Or M for mermaid. Or M for mask or M for monkey. Mask? So you're saying it's mask? What do you think is there inside? Okay, let's open the N. N for nest, N for newspapers, N for nose, N for nurse, N for noodles. So let's open it and see. What's that? It's a nose. O for ostrich, O for ox, O for octopus, O for owl, O for orange. Orange? Orange? For panda, penguin, P for police, P for pizza, P for pig. See? Q for queen, Q for quilt, Q for quail, Q for quiet, water. What is there in this? Okay, this is the letter R. R for rooster, R for rain, R for rabbit, R for rose, R for rainbow. Okay, so let's open and see.
Oh yeah!
So this is the letter S. Okay. So what do we have options for the letter S? S for strawberry, S for star, S for sun, S for snow, S for shoes. Okay. Let's open and see.
Oh, strawberry.
Is the letter
T.
T. T for telephone. T for teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
T for tiger.
It's teddy bear.
T for tent.
Teddy bear.
T for train. Okay, so let's see. Open the box. U for umbrella. for uniform? Or a U for underwater? Or U for unicorn? Okay, let's open and see. V. So V is for volcano. V for van. V for vegetable. V for violin. V for vulture. This is the letter
W.
Okay, so what are the words that we have for W? Watch, watermelon, a whistle, witch, water. Okay, let's open and see.
It's a smart clock. It's a clock.
Okay, so what do we have? What options do we have for letter X? Is it xylophone?
Yes.
Is it an X-ray? Is it an Xmas tree? It's a xylophone?
Yes.
Okay, let's open and see. This is the letter Y. What's there? Y for yo-yo? Y for yoga? Y for yogurt. What do you think is in the box? Yo-yo? What do you think, Cheryl? Yogurt? Yo-yo? Okay. This is the letter Z. What are the words that we have, the options that we have for the letter Z? Zucchini. Zoo. Zebra. Zebra? Or a zombie?